Fix Free Fire isn't responding. Do you want to close it? Free Fire not run problem in Android problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Free Fire isn't responding. Do you want to close it problem solve? So guys, before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically here what you need to do here, first of all, make sure that your data connection is well okay and great. And after that, if your data connection is great, then what you need to do here, that is, you have to go to Play Store and then you just need to search for Free Fire. So guys, here you can see here you will find an option update. So make sure to update your Free Fire application. So after updating your Free Fire, you can just go and check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you need to do here, you have to go to phone settings. After going to phone settings, you just need to scroll down here, and then guys, you just need to go to the option that is apps. So after going to apps or install apps or app manager, you have to go to manage app or app list. So this type of interface will be pop up, and then you just need to search for Free Fire. Here it is. So now you have to click on storage usage, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. Once you have to click on clear the data, and you have to clear data, go back and click on app permission here. After clicking to the app permission, you have to allow each and every permission here, and then you can just uninstall the Free Fire application and then reinstall it. The problem will be solved. So guys, this is how you can solve the problem on Free Fire. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.